Okay, we've made it to the top of Santa Maria. It's taken us, there's Catherine, she'll say hi.
Look at the view.
Yeah, look at the view. It took, I don't know, we started about 6:30 and it is currently 10 o'clock. So it took us 3.5 hours to summit the volcano. It got a little challenging on the last hour and a half. It got to where the air got pretty thin to breathe and it was getting colder and our legs were pretty tired. There's people up here, they do some kind of religious ceremonies. It's interesting, but we are way up in the air. Check that out. It's amazing. Top of the world.